Hey everyone, buckle up because today we're diving into the latest innovation from Xiaomi, the electric scooter 4 Lite 2nd Gen with improved range. Xiaomi has once again raised the bar in the realm of urban mobility, with the unveiling of the 2nd generation electric scooter 4 Lite. This latest iteration of their popular electric scooter promises enhanced performance and extended range, catering to the evolving needs of urban commuters worldwide. Now available on the Xiaomi global website, the Xiaomi Electric Scooter 4 Lite 2nd Gen is set to redefine the urban commuting experience, retaining the sleek and foldable appearance that made its predecessor a favorite among commuters. The Xiaomi Electric Scooter 4 Lite 2nd Gen boasts several notable upgrades. One of the most significant enhancements lies in its longer range, made possible by a higher capacity battery. With a top speed of 25 km per hour and 3 speed modes to choose from, riders can enjoy a versatile and customizable riding experience. Additionally, a walking mode has been introduced to facilitate ease of movement when off the scooter. Under the hood, the Xiaomi Electric Scooter 4 Lite 2nd Gen is powered by a 300 watts electric motor, delivering smooth and efficient performance. While the motor power remains consistent with its predecessor, the maximum power has been reduced to 390 watts. However, this adjustment does not compromise the scooter's performance, ensuring a seamless ride for commuters. Notably, the increased range of 25 km marks a significant improvement of approximately 25% over the previous model, providing users with extended riding capabilities. Equipped with a 9600 mAh battery, the Xiaomi Electric Scooter 4 Lite 2nd Gen offers quick and convenient recharging, with a full charge achievable in just 8 hours. Safety features including ABS and drum brakes ensure reliable stopping power, while 10-inch pneumatic tires contribute to a smooth and comfortable ride even on uneven terrain. Illuminating the path ahead, a bright headlight enhances visibility during nighttime rides. Convenience and connectivity are further enhanced through the scooter's integrated display, allowing riders to monitor speed and battery level at a glance. For added convenience, this information is also accessible via the Mi Home or Xiaomi Home app, offering seamless integration with Xiaomi's ecosystem of smart devices. Despite these upgrades, the Xiaomi Electric Scooter 4 Lite 2nd Gen remains lightweight and portable, weighing in at 16.2 kilograms. With a maximum load capacity of 100 kilograms, it accommodates a wide range of riders without compromising performance or stability. Currently, the original Xiaomi Electric Scooter 4 is available for purchase at €399. This price point positions it as a competitive option in the market, offering a blend of performance, features, and affordability. Upon its initial release, the original model was introduced at a price of €449. In summary, the Xiaomi Electric Scooter 4 Lite 2nd Gen represents the epitome of urban mobility, combining cutting-edge technology with practical appearance to deliver an unparalleled riding experience. Whether navigating bustling city streets or exploring scenic pathways, this innovative electric scooter is poised to revolutionize the way we commute. Thank you for joining us in exploring the latest innovation from Xiaomi, the Electric Scooter 4 Lite 2nd Gen with improved range. We hope you found the information in this video insightful and engaging. Have a fantastic day, and may God bless you abundantly.